This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. Okay, IKEA lovers, if you think you've seen everything IKEA released in 2026, not so fast. Today I'm sharing 10 IKEA hidden gems for 2026. You just have to see. These are the clever, affordable finds you didn't even know existed. So stay with me as we go through all of them. I'm Mon, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go. The first IKEA hidden gem for 2026 is the SOLVINDEN LED table lamp that comes at $19.99. This little globe light is battery operated, so you can drop it anywhere without hunting for an outlet, and the soft glow it casts makes any shelf, table, or patio corner just feel instantly cozy and stylish. However, what makes this one extra cool is that you can actually detach the globe, so you're not stuck styling in just one way. You can use it on its base as a statement light, or take the globe off and style it on its own. It's just such a fun, flexible piece that works way beyond just one setup. Simple, portable, and you'll have to agree it looks way more designer than its price tag. The next IKEA gem for 2026 is this cute little red wireless charger. Now this little donut-shaped charger comes at only $9.99, and it's not just cute but compact and actually such a clever gem. Why? Well, you just snap your phone on, charge it wirelessly, but also you can use it as a grip to hold your phone comfortably with one hand, which is so amazing. Desk, nightstand, or scrolling in bed, this one does it all. It has a soft, grippy silicone exterior, so it feels nice to hold, and the top folds up and hides the cable inside, which keeps everything extra tidy. Not to mention, it supports Qi2 charging, so you get fast, cord-free power without the boring look of most chargers, and it's built with safety features like protection against overheating and overloading. And under $10, this one's one of those small IKEA finds that quietly becomes your everyday favorite. And speaking of chargers, I just have to mention this one too, from that same collection, which is such a clever little gem. This one's not just a wireless charger, it's also a catch-all tray and a soft ambient light too, all in one. The base gives you cord-free charging, the tray catches keys or odds and ends, and the built-in light adds a cozy glow to your nightstand or desk. One small piece, 3 smart functions for a classic IKEA hidden gem energy. Now the next IKEA hidden gem that came out in 2026 is actually from a well-known collection at IKEA, and that is the IVAR Cabinet, which they now released in a sliding door version. Now this one has been highly requested. It was available in select IKEA stores overseas, but it finally made its way to the US this year, and I'm so glad it did. The best part about this one is those sliding doors. They make this piece crazy practical for small spaces where swing open doors would just be a hassle. Think narrow hallways, small living rooms, or tucked in corners. It just keeps your stuff neatly hidden, looks timeless, and adds a ton of functionality without eating up your floor space. Total understated gem made out of solid pine wood. Loving it. Now, before moving on to the next IKEA hidden gem for 2026, let me tell you a bit about today's sponsor, Squarespace. One of my favorite things is that Squarespace isn't just for creating pretty websites. You can actually run a full business through Squarespace, sell products, offer services, basically anything you want to monetize, all from one platform, which is amazing. One of the coolest things is how it helps you actually sell things online, not just showcase them. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or even services, it's all built right into the platform. Another thing I really appreciate about Squarespace is their analytics feature. You can actually track everything from website traffic to actual sales, all in one dashboard. It shows you exactly what's working and where your customers are coming from, which is just super helpful for growing your business. And if you want to build a community or monetize your expertise, you can easily create member areas where people pay for exclusive content, courses, or videos. It's just such a smart way to turn your passion into income. So if you're ready to take your ideas online, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to the next Ikea gem. The next Ikea hidden gem I have for you is a new Ikea release from the TROFAST series, and that is this practical desk with storage boxes. I mean, the TROFAST series is such a gem itself, and they actually took the beloved TROFAST system and turned it into a functional desk with built-in storage boxes, and I'm just all for it. I love this series so much, and to actually be able to get it as a desk now is just everything. This design is perfect for small spaces, not only kids' rooms. You get a work surface, plus tons of easy access storage for stationery, craft supplies, chargers, or anything that usually ends up piled on your desk. It's clever, totally customizable, budget-friendly, made out of solid wood, and all in all, an Ikea gem worth looking on your next trip to Ikea. Now, speaking of organization, the next Ikea hidden gem for 2026 is actually the SORTERA Insert with compartments. Now, what makes this one such a gem is that it actually fits perfectly inside the SORTERA waste storage system, but you can also use it on its own to store all your small items from office gadgets to gardening tools or even cleaning supplies. The divided compartments keep everything neat and organized, and the neutral beige color make it easy to blend anywhere. And for under $8, it's a tiny piece of Ikea genius that makes a huge difference in your home. The next Ikea hidden gem for 2026 I have for you is another amazing little organization find, and that is the UPPDATERA Spice Rack. Now, they just released this one and it comes at only $4.99 and will actually help you organize your drawers and make efficient use of space inside them. It's just perfect for organizing your spices, giving you a good overview so you can do your magic while cooking. What I love most about it is that you can combine several inserts to fill the width of the drawer or combine other UPPDATERA organizers and just mix and match whatever you need. Plus, the anti-slip material on the top and the bottom keeps both the rack and the spices in place, which is so smart. Another gem Ikea just released is one for the windows, and that is this Venetian blind made from bamboo. Honestly, this one's such a winner. Unlike standard blinds, the natural bamboo texture adds warmth, natural wood tone, and a totally elevated look to your windows while still giving you a great light control and privacy. I just love how they chose bamboo as the material for these blinds, since it feels way more organic and elevated than the regular plastic or vinyl ones. Plus, this one's safe for all ages since there are no loose or dangling cords. You just push up or pull down to effortlessly rise or lower the blinds, which is such a nice detail. These blinds will warm up any space while giving you privacy and great light protection at all times. The next Ikea hidden gem for 2026 is the BLOMNING Tin with lid, and honestly, this one's way more useful than it looks. For under $6, you get a sturdy metal tin that's just perfect for storing everything from loose tea, coffee, cookies, even spices. The lid keeps everything fresh, sealed, and dust-free, and the simple design looks cute on open shelves or in cabinets. Tiny price, huge everyday value. Plus, it now comes in a few new colors, which I love so much. I mean, just look at this white one, it looks so gorgeous and so retro. And the last Ikea hidden gem on my 2026 list just had to be the STRANDÖN folding table. I mean, this little table is just so easy to bring along and set up. It folds up completely flat, which makes it perfect for camping, trips, picnics, even for small balconies, tiny patios, or kids' spaces. It's lightweight, easy to store, and that pop of color just instantly lifts your mood. I just love it so much. Not to mention, it has been pre-treated to be better protected against sun, rain, stains, and other wear and tear. Practical, cheerful, and way more stylish than the average folding table. Just a real sleeper hit from Ikea this year. And that's a wrap for today. Did you like these new IKEA finds? Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell, allowing all notifications to never miss another video again. I have just so much IKEA content planned for 2026, so you'd like to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Marcy boy, wake up, Marcy boy. Look at that nose that goes sideways. I just love it. Mars, have you shown your subscribers your new bowl for water, which is also from IKEA? Here it is, guys. This is Mars's bowl for water, and he has his own now labeled Mars bowl for food, since he's not alone. So this is his bowl, and this is a bowl for water for both Zara and Mars, and this is a DIY I did. So yeah, Mars, you're all about IKEA hacks, right? Say bye to the YouTube family. Say bye.